Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Black Decker portable air conditioner not cooling. To fix your Black Decker portable air conditioner not cooling, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to check the setting, ensure the unit is set to cool mode and the desired temperature is set lower than the room temperature. After that, you have to clean the air filters, turn off and unplug the unit, and then remove and clean the air filter, then let them dry completely before reinstalling. After that, you have to ensure the exhaust hose is properly connected or not obstructed or kinked. Make sure the hose is not too long and is vented properly outside. Then you have to clear obstruction, ensure there are no obstruction blocking the airflow around the unit, and then after that you have to try to check the drainage, ensure the water tank is not full. If the unit has continuous drain option, make sure it is functioning correctly. If the unit has been running continuously, turn it off and let it rest for a while to prevent overheating. Sometime overheating might cause the issue. Hopefully all these steps will help you to fix the Black Decker portable air conditioner not cooling. Thanks for watching.